This year, the RLC Foundation received more nominations for all of the 8 awards than ever before. The competition in all awards categories was fierce, and this bears testament to the great work our corporate members, officers and soldiers are doing in support of the RLC Foundation objectives. Whilst we acknowledge the award winners this evening, it can be truly said that every one of our membership is a winner in the pursuance of professional excellence, innovative thinking, partnering and professional development. Major General Angus Fay, Chairman of the RLC Foundation.
Hello, my name's Angus Fay and I'm the Chairman of the Royal Logistic Corps Foundation. And I'd like to welcome you to the 2021 Royal Logistic Corps Foundation Awards. I of course have to apologise because for the second year running, most unfortunately, we've had to cancel our dinner due to COVID reasons, and therefore the awards will be held online again this year. Now, the Foundation exists to bring the logisticians of the Royal Logistic Corps, industry and academia closer together. The strength of our Foundation is in our network, and I'm delighted to say that this year our network has gone from strength to strength, growing our membership and also expanding the scope of the issues of the day that we want to explore and discuss. Now, those challenges have been significant for both commercial and military logistics because of COVID and Brexit, whether that be the global shortage of haulage drivers, general supply chain resilience issues that have been exposed, or just quite simply increasing demand. But what is clear is logistics has never been more visible and never more higher up the agenda. Therefore, these awards represent the outstanding achievements of some individuals and organisations in the most challenging of times.
Our first award is the Foundation Mentoring Support Award, sponsored by Wincanton.
Wincanton is at the heart of British supply chains. We do everything from fulfilling orders for e-commerce deliveries to people's homes. We work in dark stores delivering home groceries, and we've even helped build a nuclear power plant. We add value to our customers with solutions throughout their supply chains. We make sure that we're agile, efficient, and innovative. Innovation is at the heart of everything that we do. Wincanton's leading the charge in sustainability. We're going to be net zero by the end of 2022 for our home delivery service, and the whole business will be net zero by the end of 2040. We want to enable our people to be their absolute best. For us, that means embracing diversity and inclusion, and it also means being proud of the fact that we have the best safety record in the industry. Great people delivering sustainable supply chain value.
This trophy is awarded to an individual who has played a major role in supporting an individual or individuals in their professional development. This can be in support of officers or soldiers with the RLC and includes support in gaining a vocational qualification or a mentoring role in any wider form of professional development. And the award goes to Warrant Officer 1, Andrew Sope, from Headquarters Southwest Logistics Support Branch. His commitment and enthusiasm is outstanding and has seen the Combined Services Culinary Arts team achieve monumental results at national and international level competitions whilst under his management, including winning a gold medal, placing third in the world at the 2018 Culinary World Cup, and a service chef being crowned Kickerman Master. This award is sponsored by TVS Supply Chain Solutions. TVS Supply Chain Solutions are a global supply chain organization providing consultancy services, integrated supply chain solutions, global freight forwarding, and last-mile supply across the automotive, defense, beverage, rail, and utility sectors. They trade on their ability to reduce clients' operating costs and improve their performance through efficient solutions. They exceed clients' expectations by increasing the visibility of the supply chain through continually evolving technological capabilities suited as per the requirements. TVS create, maintain, and perform analysis on data from multiple applications and separate parts of a client's organization. The value of what they do is an essential part of creating synchronized quality data associated to the end-to-end supply chain, enabling informed decision-making. And the winner is Squareco, and here to receive the award is Simon Perks. Moving on to our third award, the Foundation Regional Partnership Award recognises the most effective such interface between an RLC unit or specialisation and industry to mutual benefit and improved capability. The award is sponsored by Fast Tracks, which in 2001 was awarded a PFI contract to deliver the Army's Heavy Equipment Transfer Service, HET. The contract comprised design and procurement of 92 HETs from Oshkosh Corporation, which is owned by Fast Tracks, operated under a commercial operator license and maintained to DFSA standards at Buller, Mahn and Mönchengladbach barracks. Operation and maintenance is subcontracted to FTX Logistics Limited, a subsidiary of KBR, who employ qualified reservists integral to the HET service, tasked for peacetime HET delivery in the UK and Germany, operation and exercise deployment with the regular army, including Iraq and Afghanistan for the first 10 years, and since then in Jordan, Oman, Germany and Estonia. The winner today is World Fuel Services, founding members of the Foundation. They have delivered tailored and integrated solutions with operational effectiveness and safety, earning a track record of global excellence, even in high-risk areas, providing innovative fuel and energy outcomes. Many of their staff have a military fuels logistics background and a boots-on-the-ground approach, reinforced by management experience and environmental know-how. Their fuel quality is absolute and anywhere, offering responsive delivery at pace, reliability everywhere, and global resilience. Next is the Best Article in the Review Magazine Award from an individual contributor. It is sponsored by Leidos. Leidos is a Fortune 250 information technology, engineering, and science solutions and services leader working to solve the world's toughest challenges in the defense, intelligence, homeland security, civil and health markets. In the UK, Leidos specialises in developing and supporting large-scale and innovative technology transformation programs that are designed to deliver business improvement and efficiency. Leidos manages the £6.5 billion Logistics Commodities and Service Transformation Programme for the UK Ministry of Defence, implementing technological advancements for one of the world's foremost military operations, whilst generating millions in savings for the government. Leidos has brought together a skilled and experienced team of private sector, defence and logistic partners with the global expertise to deliver the transformation required. Since 2015, the LCST programme has delivered over 1 billion products to the UK military using cutting-edge procurement techniques and strong governance. That means getting everything from food rations to boots exactly where they need to be, at the right price and at the right time. The key to solving complex digital transformation challenges is our supply chain integration portal, built using best-in-class technology and fusing it with the security expertise that Leidos has developed in 50 years of working with the military worldwide. The winner of this category will be announced in early 2022, but nonetheless appreciate the support of Leidos and the contributions of many contributors to review. The Thought Leadership Award highlights the greatest contribution to the Foundation's thought leadership programs, from cause, industry, academe, by engagement, innovation or issue identification. It is sponsored by World Fuel Services. Focused on operational effectiveness and safety, they develop tailored and integrated defense solutions globally, sustainably and safely, in high-risk areas or otherwise, on time and on budget. With experienced management, operational skills and experience, down-to-earth understanding and extensive familiarity with diverse and difficult deployments, their critical care, control and commitment ensure quality and completion. The winner this year is TVS Supply Chain Solutions, whose Defence Director is here to accept the award, Irene Ainscough. With the Junior Initiative Award, the Foundation recognises the junior corps officer or soldier who has produced the best innovative concept of practical solutions offering the most tangible benefit to serving personnel. Sponsoring this award is Squarecle. Squarecle, whose mission is to advance client supply chain performance through both traditional and innovative techniques and technologies. This involves a team with extensive knowledge of defence support, coupled with advanced analytics, currently handling a wide range of defence support tasks with private sector clients. That apart, Squarecle has a deep connection with the services, and especially the Foundation.
Hi, my name is Brigadier Tim Crossland and I'm ACOS J1J4 at PGHQ, but arguably more importantly, I'm also the President of RLC Athletics. And what we're hoping to do is invest a bit more money into RLC Athletics and cross country, and I would really like to thank Squarecle for the support and investment they've given us, because we could not do it without their help and support. Thank you.
The winner this evening is Officer Cadet Alexander Champion from 165 Porton Maritime Regiment, who has spearheaded the Army's additive manufacturing capability, utilising 10 years civilian experience and his own personal drive and initiative. As a volunteer reservist, he was tasked with writing the technical specification for deployable 3D print capability in 3 months. That he did in 2 weeks. He investigated support contracts, handled external suppliers, made his recommendations and presented his findings. He bowled over the 1-star recipient and daunted the relevant department's scientific head, not least by transcribing precise and technical techno-knowledge into language actionable by Army personnel unfamiliar with additive manufacturing. Tasked to brief Army HQ, he was articulate, persuasive, patient, and concise. He acted as technical advisor at a US 4-star additive manufacturing symposium, probing the 4-star panel, and attended the stateside Additive Manufacturing Center of Excellence, advising the US on specific metal 3D printing so that they accelerated their own program. Back home, he assisted in a capability demonstration to the Chief and Deputy Chief of the General Staff and Director's Capability and Military Digitization. His output helped to secure vital funding for the Army's future Centre of Excellence. This award is called the RLC Foundation Best Apprentice of the Year 2021. It goes to the person whose tutor sees the most effort, commitment and achievement within the apprenticeship programme. The sponsor is Pearson TQ.
At Pearson TQ, we design, develop and deliver bespoke training and education solutions that inspire people in all walks of life to reach their full potential. As part of the world's leading learning company, Pearson, we draw on an unrivaled set of innovative, technology-led learning solutions, resources, and specialist knowledge to deliver engaging training services. We're able to bring to the table expertise in workforce development, and we recently acquired a company called FathomX, an AI-built system that predicts skills needs for the organisation into the future. We also have world-leading curriculum and content design, as well as one of the largest assessment services in Pearson VUE. Working in partnership with our clients, both in public and private sectors, we support businesses to help build and improve their workforce capabilities, as well as assist in driving down their own cost. Pearson TQ supports the Royal Logistic Corps, the Royal Engineers, the Intelligence Corps, the Tri-Service Defence Medical Services, as well as the Tri-Service Administration Services of the MOD. We deliver 19 different apprenticeship standards to the Tri-Services, from anything from port operations to business administration, from driving to information communication technology, from ordnance, munition, explosive technician, all the way through to senior healthcare worker. But this is not all we do. Outside the armed forces in the apprenticeship arena, we are market leaders in enterprise level solutions in management and business services. You can see from the infographic here that we do this at scale and of quality. Our achievement matrix is well above the national benchmark in all measures. We work with such organisations as BT, Thales UK, UK Power Networks, and numerous NHS trusts to ensure they have a leadership solution in place. They can effectively develop managers to meet their business objectives. Ofsted in their recent May 21 inspection commented that Pearson TQ plans well to include content that employers request. Consequently, apprentices and employers benefit from a curriculum that reflects the company's ethos and values. In Pearson TQ, we're also one of the country's leading delivery organisation in the delivery of technical plant training, not only at the Royal School of Military Engineering, but also in our Construction Academy in North Kent. I'd like to take the opportunity to thank the RLC Foundation for bringing us together today, and we look forward to actually meeting you, maybe perhaps breathing the same air in the very near future. Thank you.
And the winner for 2021 is Lance Corporal Kyle Williams of 17 Port and Maritime Regiment, Marchwood, who gained his qualification 4 months before its planned completion, without external pressure. As a marine engineer, he was less than ideally placed on a vehicle mechanic program. Despite that, he completed his exams to a good standard on the first attempt in every case. He met every target set, always before it was required, even though he was often deployed outside his program.
17 Port and Maritime Regiment RLC holds Defence's only deployable military port, made up of several trades that work in concert to deliver the port and maritime effect, and include 3 that are unique to the regiment: port operators, mariners, and marine engineers. Port operators are capable of taking over established ports or developing and operating on a spare one. Where need exists, a logistic beach unit is deployed to put supplies across a beachhead. The mariners and marine engineers provide the Army's only ship-to-shore capability with the use of Mextifloat, a large modular heavy lift raft that can carry up to 200 tons. In support of this asset, the Army workboat and the combat support boat provide navigational cover, a firefighting and beach reconnaissance capability. Once the port is open, movement controllers and vehicle support specialists establish and enable the flow of vehicles and equipment through the port to project our forces.
The final award is the Master General of Logistics Special Recognition Award, which goes to the organisation or individual who has made the most significant contribution to military operations while aiding the civil community, or has significantly enhanced the Corps' reputation within or without. Sponsored by DHL. The winner this year is an individual, and that individual is Lieutenant Tom Martens, serving when nominated with 13 Air Assault Support Regiment. Here he receives his award from Brigadier Jim Taylor of 2 Army Training Regiment. Lieutenant Martens joined Op Rescript, specifically in support of NHS Wales, deployed in support of the Joint Military Command at 160 Brigade as OC Information and Intelligence Collection and Cross-Government Surveillance. He collected intel from multiple sources and fed it into a fusion centre to help civilian agencies, and inform Commander 16 Brigade with accurate information of the pandemic, enabling coherent responses plus briefing output to help manage emergent threats and protest trends against lockdown and vaccinations. He worked undaunted, tirelessly, selflessly and diligently, without regard for personal comfort, to augment 13 Air Assault Support Regiments' immediate response capacity. And now, I'm privileged to reintroduce Major General Angus Fay, who will conclude this evening's awards celebration.
Finally, it leaves me to offer our thanks to the organisers of the RLC Foundation, our permanent team under Alan Woods, the Royal Logistic Corps Regimental Headquarters, and particularly to the Worshipful Company of Carmen, who facilitated these online awards. I'd also like to congratulate not just the awardees, but all the nominees. The quality of the nominations and the strength of the competition has been phenomenal. And so I congratulate all of you, awardees and nominees alike. Of course, now we look to the future, and it's not entirely clear what 2022 will hold in store. But the Foundation will continue to deliver an exciting and useful programme, dealing with logistics leadership, technology, and best practice across the piece. As a foundation, we will explore the key issues affecting our profession, encourage thinking, inquiry and debate, and most importantly, engage across the depth of our membership to deliver our vision of a corps of informed, energised, highly professional, inspirational logisticians. Thank you.